mune mtu ha mentorship na technical advice mama wasinja so utaluma uchinakola kola kumama is extremely humble for that wasinja uluko ameirwa mama ulimukalinga ngabuli mukala mama wasinja ngabi lugirire mama ngasime obwe mbembe cyabwaye mama division omulitata mushabu mukasereka ne technical team ya utabi wasinja no tutingo kwa mutima because ngiku ukata ata mulo mune wadinga the best PLO performers start with some materials like blanket, infalisi, nesha sets she mathematical mune mbasho tata masinja kusema so mkamune mubane binyo bya maha yoraba ne bakolande kutuita maha kuto obu ndino mwakonu tukeni bifukeni ngisheri kolande yake so ngase bisabo bichinele tata munyirire ngasima ba managers bayi our support supervision a teamwork and banama twiri. By the way, our how makafuledi kuwa we are trying to manage under difficult circumstances, but because we are united, masinja baba mama managers. In fact, masinja mobilization here about kutiva anu chama yelo si one tata wasinja for the love that you have for the school. Olontulo nunde ne kuthiblo treat the church. So wasinja mobilization here about kutiva anu omushaka ihabu mama na mama ngabira mbala kangeta mama it is not discipline ekuchikabi yabiribula ukalya takasanga bisanuye rimba ukaraja mwaini ukabutingalia bana erike shangulika mawonya ndio abana but however we are serving the Ugandan children tunemusulia mama one teacher alikuwa sick leave yabaketa mu basisa Joseph alikuwa sick leave sali hanu so tunanu basomesya munane boto kwa bana rukana ukatoka bana load Neruka compare ngayo in terms of delivery bikakala so tata chairman tata division ya utata wile mtu sabira tatu tipata satu ha one more or three more mwasto ha moja tatu mama na wao ndio tumulire ngayo kwa achievements igatwa mata kolani bya haibi wene sine ndisomeke sindi binene ngata kangura eskulo nelwakera historically ikaparticipating ndeke mabindu bya curricular activities ngokwe theme ya government kwikabwa IT educational technology and sports mami toma sports ya nabana betu bali very sportive baute unique abilities on sports kaya kuti betu bakatu kwama tukani tukabini sure deal we must win or they lose mami we are always winners on sports mama and we always take our team kwa national level akaba kola selection ukaba naba bechoro numwanga endo mwa inspectors office kende bana bechoro about 10 of them or 8 bakaba selected kwa national level so we also the best at the zonal level tukande the massacre for further competitions academic tunemwe excellinga mama but despite the challenges chama nelo siwana na managers wa Busongerera tunakukola some simple innovations like mfano kule library tunatoma partitioning gayo but don't have a library it was just an improvised library toma inawe vitabu kwa mwenye mwa shelves aba nabanga tokelibya accessinga yani moja ndani ya chiki ya bani as the RTI policy says that hands of the children on the books so mama we have an improvised library ineo aba nabakaba nemusomera likewise mtu anakulira midterm exams ngana sababu tumanga nao wakaiso tunamukolera baketa mu continuous assessment iko tunamushongola abana nuko bangabera ebirengesho nuko akalanga ekipapura cha end of term cyabese cyo kubanza tunakiri muna machibangira tamu ikatandika ikaikana agati kati so babu tigibe ni mtai watu watiro mwabyana banu bakaiko walinga the community on how to chase away disasters so banemba tips on disaster management neriba psychosocial support nuko bangabirwa the other challenge yaba mama how man fighting the malnutrition like she has mentioned ani mubaha tips of managing gachi ofima otwejikoni mama ukameshoninga ukakanduke ikusa so ababu tiba anu bani presidential policy ya 2008 ICT policy emphasizing that you be nutrition education how man healthy so umafuli moto munemu belia ya kumbe hapa netanu akabinganyo kana haya tukana katsumba ko abandi bakariya kushokariya tunemwendera nuko bongo bulike ikulachi bulike ikusa nuko bongo bana bangala ya mama. Apart from women aba Alpha Women, to know some other partners. Aba keta Dodi Foundation. Banu bali located in Mota uli mekasese banye mwasanga anu baka training aba na betuko kukari na bake bobulume on how to make some sanitary pads. Such mwika nasangana aba na bali newo bukari. Like mama, you gave me a question. How much mapise beria banani bake kandi ekabu eria kumbane bya bana. It means they reach a certain stage. Wabisanganisha solutions this is favorable. They withdraw. So muchasanga nikeni. Aba mutibazo bakina utakatsibuka kasente but was education the tips of saving. Ari nsungiro no mwabi tongole mama. So abana nebu ukasanga ni baka dropping out of school after failure managing administration cycles sharp. So aba diba anu banaute program ne inviting ababuti bangabera mubira banabo bukari uko bangakola when they go to the administration cycles. Amuke muba we tell them what administration is. Buchi ukisa ende wasongali, Bama na kuni nasa chimilo wasongali, basi banikisa kungira yati. Ikisa tukisa balamaji. Muba we challenges mama msisule tete bana babiri bakaniria sho chama nifirina bani baeni. Abasomesa kosa ndika subamu kulana. The whole school is very porous, into porous entries. Abantu paka penetrating from anywhere. Merokaba in terms of child safety, vikakala. Mama tunaziitwa facing if we can manage. Tunaushindwa facing. So mama tuikira mule ndio wetu kwa vile vilinge yotata chama ni tata o mama aka any branch kwa division tata make us part. Like a new way it's true about move by using their own efforts. But this is so ngana sababu kumkana indira wadi matende kerongo chihara tata also come to the rescue of Kasika tata.
It has been a general problem to most of the schools I've so far visited, and as a government, as Nyamwamba Division, and municipality, we are going to have a meeting to consult the educationists. We see how we can recruit other teachers so that we can move on in a well system of education. Because every school where you reach, they complain about understaffing. So we are going to see a way of recruiting more. Government had that program of construction of staff quarters on how to reach schools. So with this school where we are right now, it is one of the hard to reach schools. And most of the time under school facilitation grant, that grant is always at the municipality. As I had said earlier, I'm going to contact the town clerk, then we see if there is that kind of provision according to the, and sometimes we work on budget. So maybe we can include it in the next financial year to put it as a period, to prioritize it, because we have like 3 schools now which are hard to reach. That is Kigoro Primary School, St. Immaculate Primary School, and Kihara Primary School. Then there's another one in Msika we have for anyway. Those schools are hard to reach. You find that our teachers, most of the time, they travel a long distance and they spend a lot of money on transport. So we're going to prioritize that to make sure that we have some quotas, some staff quotas at those schools so that our teachers does not travel a long distance and waste money in transport. In yesterday's council, we resolved that most of the schools and the health facilities are open, lack fences. So we have already resolved that they should be fenced. And now that we have already passed the budget, so that means we are going to give it also a priority in the next financial year. We budget for it. And the schools being many, we are going to work hand in hand with the PTA to see that we shall be contributing as also PTA contributes so that we can have fences on schools. Most of the schools are being encroached by animals and the neighbors surrounding the school, and you find these people, the animals and the people, they interact with the environment. they interfere with the environment. So you find that the environment, the learners are not learning in a good environment. So this one we are trying to work to see that we have good learning environment by protecting the environment through fencing it.
Assistant RDC Kasese District. Esa henu tuli Chigoro Primary School. Tuli sa attending a parents meeting. Ono muchara nemo makoba buti. Aba school anu Chigoro. Nario newende ba. Muke Margaret. Nario ngasi mababuti. Abu abakabo hera bana babe byalya. Kundibwa ekirero kikabwa kiti ambe abana na utechererya ku school as their lunch. So ababuti abakapa kingira abana babe byalya tukabasima kutsebu ndi mwende mbere narirangire ndi omwana wawu akali omanjacha nacha musana akali ku school kandi nacha chiro nacho kineyo. Kandi bwana masima abana abasatu aba ukabuka samalire byali byabakalya bene ballast bakalya ho hakatogo kulya binyobo naruka bana utune cyuma cyabakandi ongerako songa hiwe sinja okugura mubuti oyina mukorecho naribwe inasaba ndi obuli mubuti utrolere uherere mwana wawe yendana kundibo mwana yutalire na mwa class sale tokerisona kandi abana bateriro ko skuru ko chamusana babana abakatswa ndeza laika ye birito mwana nari natso kandi akabya birito salika no ko skuru so ha ukasangana ndi eritandiro ko skuru chikarwamo ebitsibu ebirenga bana arenda chitechiti abangana hutalirayo abandi nari bakabe street children abandi nari bayiba narikeno bomezi bwabu bukabya uwa mabutaka mabunte zibaho ndio mutu kumukendi hika ababuti itabangire ndo oyo tataherejo manawe yebyali oyo kende kulisibwa kwa kiraye ngende chikora mukuru wayi sizo ningo ko ikaye tsuka bahere ibana sindi endanda eyo mwana chachimeyo tukahere byali iwaminya tukahere byali ebikere vuba nuko mwana wawe tamuigibe ikatsuka nyabiri bana byali bitwatanya nende abanene bakatubita okwa syanguda habwere tandire mberwa ndeke narukande tukasangana obutsibu still omubuti uwabirira mwabuko miroro so tunamutimbamo tukalangire ndi tukobukayo obuti emeremberere UN narirangire ndi abana bakayo muchi bakanda na school itwenge government twabiri twamu and tribukaye ababuti balembere ndeke oyuto mwana weyo ko street kuti omuho wiwe alangire ndi akamuhayo akamusubaye mu school abo abatendikiriria ebyatuka babera obutuku bukendi hika itwatimbamu abanabo itwabahira mu manyamuuma neribwo womubuti ukendi bukasa tukaseleba omwana wawe nerithole byekiraye ngachikakora matsi bayo baitu tukasaba buli mundu alangire ndi abana biwe akabalembera ndeke akabinene nabo nukumubakura mwabana abo muasu abakendesa kuwasira ibawasire community kandi nitwe ngabanya Uganda batwasira nabira uru twatunga muasu omwana oyo si mwana wawe betu no mwana wa chirocho chiri national wide kangabuye si Kasese nyesa si municipality nyesa si Nyamamba division nyesa kandi si Chigoro community nyesa neri obutsibo bonde tukalengekana tuti COVID some of those effects social COVID yabere asa bintu byamanga ngabikaenda chicha eriba kandi nekindi still chikarugiriro kwa bulembero kutahikire abana babire tulemerere mbera the parenting yabere byamwibina omwana akabyakakula isata watikibwa mwana wobukalinga kandi kulati kandi obundi nerwo no school yanditoka ari continuinga akawunze school nari kandi nabonjo bo munabira be boda nabo bamabibyanga bakapletrever ngabitsebo but twenge district twenge municipality tunamulengesera tukasensitizing abantu kandi tukasimane government ya NRM kundibwa yenamukobe skilling. Some of these young mothers banamu participating in skilling area mubuko kandi nebitongole bitebye government nabo binamu teacher erirangirende abana bano bakatungese skills imo batokeri bezyaho eri kuli abana babande.